everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make ice cream. You need two cups of heavy whipping cream, a can of a can of sweetened condensed milk, and vanilla extract. So you need just two of this. Right now it's on its soft peak, meaning that there is something like very still not chocolate.
It's good.
It's yummy.
Oh.
Now I am going to transfer it into the container.
Okay.
And
Good
we
enough?
add the cover.
And then you cover. Yes.
Now we freeze this for 4 hours. Since we have some more ice cream left, I am gonna add some chocolate spread and cookies. Now that we've added everything, I'm gonna give it a few mix and we're done. With my spatula now. Make sure you scrape the sides. This in the freezer for 4 hours. See you later. Bye. It's done. We tasted it when it was a little softer, so let's see. Okay, let's see how it tastes. It's yummy. This vanilla ice cream tastes a little sweeter than this one. This one tastes, the chocolate and cookies ice cream tastes like the cookies.